To unlock Aura's full potential, it's best to store all your product-related documents in your own secure cloud tenant. With your design files, standards, and reports all in one place, Aura can learn from them and support you every step of the way. For example, imagine you're designing a wheelchair. With all your concept sketches, calculations, design standards stored in the cloud, Aura can instantly pull the right information, helping you move faster and make better design choices. In the case of the wheelchair project, when you check the concept design report, you can see that Aura has the answer correctly. What's more, when you're unsure how to improve your design or make it stand out in the market, Aura is here to help. By learning from your standards and documents, it can suggest meaningful design improvements, co-creating with you through your engineering journey. Once your design is improved, you might wonder, what tests do I need before going to market? Aura can guide you by identifying relevant testing requirements and referencing the standards you've already uploaded. With this, you're not only saving time, you're making faster, more accurate decisions with full confidence. Aura will also show you exactly which reference it's using, so you know where the answer comes from.